Hello listeners, I'm Zoya, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join in another exciting episode of The Realty Reveal, the podcast where we discover the Indian real estate market. And today, a very special guest has joined me. Please welcome Mr. Ajit Ahluwalia ji, the Vice President at the incredible team of Gitanjali Homestay Private Limited. Hi Ajit ji.
Hello.
Thank you so much for joining us in this podcast. First of all, हमारे listeners बहुत ज़्यादा curious हैं ये चीज़ जानने के लिए कि हर एक इंसान की कहीं ना कहीं से एक स्टार्टिंग होती है, एक स्टोरी होती है. तो आपकी इंडिया के रियल एस्टेट मार्केट में स्टोरी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई? प्लीज टेल अस.
I started my journey in 2011 with a mix of curiosity and ambition. And initially in the beginning, I have to understand market dynamics and building networks and then unpredictability of this sector. And with the time, the real estate has evolved into a dynamic and resilient industry. And it's a place where one can fulfill your dreams and sky is the limit. It's a passion and to fulfill my ambitions.
That's great. So Ajit ji, please tell us that when you first entered this industry, what were some of the major challenges you faced?
See, initially the challenges were to understand the market dynamics and to build the client trust. अब जब आप काम कर रहे होते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, कभी डील थ्रू नहीं हुई, तो ये नहीं है कि आप उसको छोड़ दो. यू हैव टू गैदर मोर नॉलेज एंड बिगेस्ट थिंग इन रियल एस्टेट इज़ बी पेशेंस एंड कीप ऑन ट्राइंग एंड यू विल कम थ्रू द हर्डल्स. I overcame these challenges by keep on learning, and learning is a continuous process. No one is perfect. If someone thinks that he knows everything, market trends keep on changing, so you have to upkeep yourself with what's going on in the market, with the legal framework and with the client trust. और client trust तब आता है जब आप जो promises करते हो, you stand by them and you fulfill those, so the client also appreciates that what it has been committed to him, it has been fulfilled. Then he gives you more references, and that's how we grow.
Now Ajit ji, please tell us that what are the top 3 skills that you learned from the real estate industry?
See, I would say 3 top points would be negotiation skills,
Exactly.
market analysis, and to build relationship with the clients. Negotiation is like you have to balance the things with the buyer and sellers, understand their things and mutually make them understand. Then market analysis is you have to pick the where you can forecast the hot spots for your clients, where they invest and they will get the appreciation. Then building the relationship is when you tell them and they invest with your trust and your market analysis, and they gain from that. That gives them the trust, and they give you the referral businesses also.
Whatever the points you have stated, I guess a successful real estate career is built on these points: the negotiation skills, market analysis, and strong relationship with your client. So that's really amazing. So in 2025, Ajit ji, if we'll talk about, do you really think that India's real estate market is going to touch the skies?
Of course, 2025 looks very promising with urbanization and infrastructure development and initiative of government like policy of housing for all. These segments are going to give growth to commercial as well as residential, and investments in tier 2 and tier 3 cities are the key segments, and with the smart and green technologies are going to revolutionize the real estate industry.
So Ajit ji, as you already know that AI and technology has completely changed the entire landscape of Indian real estate market because of their growing role. So what's your take on that?
See, AI and technology are game changers. From virtual property tours to predictive analytics, we are using this technology it's transforming how we buy, sell and market properties. See, AI helps personalize client experiences and streamline the processes like legal documentation, property management. So it's a very
Game
good
changer,
tool.
completely.
And technology, it's not just a tool, it's becoming an integral part of the real estate ecosystem.
Now, if we'll talk about Gurgaon real estate market, Gurgaon is like the Karan Johar of real estate, always luxurious, dramatic, and always in style. So, according to you, Ajit ji, what do you think is the secret sauce behind its glamour?
See, Gurgaon is undoubtedly a powerhouse of the Indian real estate, with thriving infrastructure and robust corporate ecosystem and connectivity to Delhi and CR. It's a magnet for residential and commercial projects.
Exactly.
People will always aspire to have their investments, or the homeowners like to have their houses in Gurgaon. It is going to be the top choice as comparing to all other cities.
So now, Ajit ji, let's start with our rapid fire round. Let's switch gears. So I'll ask you some quick questions and you have to answer those questions quickly without thinking too much. So are you ready for the rapid fire round?
Yeah, sure.
So my first question is, if real estate were a Bollywood star, who would it be and why?
Amitabh Bachchan. Real estate industry is like iconic and evergreen, like Big B.
That's a very good answer. Now my second question is, what's your mantra for a deal gone wrong? Chill maro या फिर से try करो?
फिर से try करो, because you have to know where you went wrong and improvise your situation.
That's great. Now, which city would you call the Shah Rukh Khan of Indian real estate market?
It's Gurgaon again, and because it's charming and it's always in spotlight.
Great. What's more harder, convincing a client or predicting the market?
Predicting the market.
Exactly, because it's always changing.
Yes.
And nobody knows. Okay, so my next question is, what is your favorite motivational quote for tough days?
See, success is not final and failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts.
What's more thrilling, signing the deal or the negotiation battle?
It's negotiation battle, because it's where your skills shine.
If you could rename Gurgaon, what would you call it? The Golden City or the Skyline Town?
Skyline Town.
What's one habit that makes you a real estate rock star?
See, it's listening and understanding clients' requirements. That's what makes you real rock star.
Great. Okay, one property trend you wish would disappear forever?
Unrealistic payment schemes, because they create more confusion than convenience.
Now, the last question of our rapid fire round today is, if you were a property, अगर आप एक property होते, what kind of property would you be? A penthouse, a luxurious villa, a bungalow, or a co-working space?
I prefer penthouse because it's exclusive, sophisticated, and always aiming for the top.
That's great. All right. Thank you so much, Ajit ji, for coming to the Realty Reveal podcast. It was a great time to hear you. मैं आप लोगों से मिलूंगी नेक्स्ट टाइम एक नए एपिसोड के साथ ऑफ द रियल्टी रिवील. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे कनेक्टेड विद द गीतांजलि होमस्टे प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. थैंक यू सो मच.